Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so happy to be back with another video for you guys. I know I've been MIA for a long time. I know I posted a video like 2 weeks ago, I think, or 3 weeks ago. Actually, I don't even know when this video is gonna go up, so I can't even say when was the last time I uploaded a video. I feel like something was missing from my life. Like, you guys, I missed you guys so much. I haven't filmed in like a month and a half, 2 months. No, not 2 months. I don't know, it hasn't been that long. Maybe a month and a half, a month and a half. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm so happy to be in front of the camera. You guys have no idea how much I missed you. I missed filming. I missed everything about it, really. Maybe one day I'll do like a where I've been video, what's been going on in my life. As you guys can see, I have a different background right now. This is not my regular room. This is pretty much what the background's gonna be right now. I'm not in my regular room, so this is what I'm working with right now, and this is how it's gonna be for a while. So at least, like, it looks good, right? Let me know down below what you guys think about my new background, how you guys are liking it, if you guys like the lighting. Also, I never worked with like natural lighting. I have a ring light on, but it's mostly like natural lighting because I have a big ass window right here right now. I never had that before, so it's kind of weird for me. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your feedback because I want to know. So let's go back to the video. So I have a really mini, like the tiniest haul ever to show you guys. I went to Sephora about a month ago. No, actually 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks. Like this is the third week since I went to Sephora. It's been in this room for like so long. I haven't touched my products or anything like that. I'm just waiting to film this video for you guys. And yeah, so basically I went to Sephora because I wanted to get ready for the summer. Summer is coming. Actually, we're in June right now and the weather is disgusting. It's like 12 degrees and I'm talking in Celsius because I'm Canadian, by the way. So it's like 12 today. It's like pretty cold actually, but whatever. I'm getting ready for the summer because you guys know I'm really oily. My face is really oily throughout the day, like to the point where I think last year was like a really hot summer and I barely wore makeup. I will only wear makeup whenever I film for you guys because it was that hot and makeup didn't stay on like ever. So I went to Sephora to get ready for the summer because, like I said, I get really oily. So I went to get primers, setting sprays, and I'm actually probably gonna go back and see what else I can get. But it's really tiny hauls. I only got like 2 or 3 products to show you guys today because that's what I got. So I went to Sephora. So the first product I'm going to show you, it has nothing to do with the theme of what I'm talking about right now. So I went to Sephora and I got the Brow Power Duo because I ran out of my Brow Wiz by Anastasia. You guys know I'm in the color Ebony. You guys know I always use this in all my videos. That's pretty much all I use to do my brows. Yeah, so I got this one and I saw that they had this product here that I've never used and I actually wanted to try it, so I was like, you know what, might as well. It is a travel size, it's not the full size of the product, but knowing me, this is gonna last me a long time, so I don't mind. Usually just the brow is like $27 here. Altogether was $33, so this came for like $6 when I think the full size is like almost the same price as the brow is, I think, something like that. So yeah, so I get this because I needed some new brow product. Well, actually to like refill my brow products, that's what it was. And yeah, next thing I got is a primer. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this primer, and yeah, so I just wanted to try it for myself and see how it goes because there's someone I follow and she has pretty much the same skin type as me. She gets really oily, and whenever she's like, yo, this is like my face like stays put like all day, it doesn't crack because I'm oily or anything like that, I go and like try the product because, and most of the time it works for me too, so I can't really complain about that. So I got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So the box looks like this basically. You guys probably seen it like a lot throughout, like I think it's been here for like since the beginning of the year or something like that. So it looks like this, and it comes with a pump, which is amazing. I did try it a little bit in the store. I just wanted to see how gripping it was, how sticky it was, but by the time I like got out of the store, it was already not sticky, and it felt like I had nothing on my hands because I tried on my hand. And yeah, so this product was, let me just check, it was $36, which is not bad for a primer, because here like most of the primers like Smashbox and like all the other ones like Cover FX and everything else, like there's another one too that was pretty expensive. I don't remember the name right now, but anyways, all those high-ends from like Sephora, they always like Makeup Forever, around $40, $40+ for the full size, and this is $36, which is pretty amazing. They do have a travel size, but I was like, might as well just get the big size, because with the quantity and like the pricing, it was kind of off. So I was like, might as well just get the big one, and the big one wasn't even more than $40. I was like, why not? Because usually you guys know like my Makeup Forever, my Smashbox, I use the travel size because it's already $20 for like a travel size, and if you want to get the big one, it's like $43, $45, and it's like sorry, but no, I have a budget, okay? And then the last product I got, keeping with my theme that I want to stay matte all day, this is another product that the same girl suggested to me. By the way, her name is Nicole Guerrero. You guys probably know her. She's been around for like since the beginning of YouTube. That's the first like YouTuber I've watched like regularly, like religiously, because every time like she would suggest something, like it worked for me too. And the other, like I was rewatching some of her videos, and she was talking about the Lock-It setting spray, what she calls it, setting mist by Kat Von D. And she said like she went, what did she do? She went, because she lives in Florida, so she went like you know those things on the water, how's it called, whatever, she went somewhere and she was like on the water, like on the boat or something, and it stayed all day. You know those things that you ride and like you're splashing? If you guys know what I'm talking about, just write down below, because I have a blank right now. It's pretty bad, whatever. And I'm sorry if you guys hear there's construction outside, but I have time to film today, so I have to film. I'm sorry. And yeah, so I just wanted to try this. I haven't tried it yet. Also, like I said, the bag has just been like in the corner of the room, just waiting. So it looks like this. This is also the full size. She does have a travel size, but again, like the travel size is like not even 30mm, and it was like $20. I was like, excuse me, but no. And this one is like 120mm, and it was like, let me see the price. And this one was $38, which is not bad. If anything is under $40, I mean, for me it's not expensive, it's good. Yeah, so, and you guys know I don't use a lot of setting sprays just because I feel like it makes my face too shiny. Like it adds on like some kind of a shine to my face, and after that I get oily, so it's like too much. You guys see, like in my videos, I don't really use setting spray. I don't know if you guys, anybody ever realized, but I don't really use setting sprays in my videos. I used to, but it made my face look super shiny. So by the end, I was like, when I was doing my outro, my face was so shiny that like I had to like blot and everything. It was just a mess. So I was like, you know what, I stopped using setting spray for a long time, except like during the winter when I get like, sometimes my skin get really dry, so I would put a little bit just so like everything just melted, it didn't look dry. But that's about it. So basically I'm getting ready for the summer. I actually have some other products that I want to add on, that I already added onto my list, so I'm gonna go and get them so and see how it works. I'm gonna do reviews for all of these 3 products for you guys. Just let me know down below which one you're more interested in, and if I see that there's one that you guys are more interested in, I'm just gonna post it before the other ones. like that you guys can see and like get your, can like measure if you guys want to go get it or anything like that. If you guys just want to know, it's really up to you. Just let me know down below which one you're more interested in seeing a review on first. Like that, I'll just post it first. I'm already like kind of filming it right now. So yeah, so today I'm filming like 3 videos. So hopefully I'll see you really soon, because I still have to find the time to like edit those videos. So hopefully I'll see you soon. I really did miss you guys. I hope you guys miss me too. And yeah, so thank you so much for everybody who's still here watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I seen you guys in my last video saying how you guys are happy that I was back. I was happy to like have something to upload for you guys, even if like it was a video that I actually filmed like a month before I uploaded it. It was pretty bad. And also I heard you guys want to see a lot more. You guys are not fed up of the colorful looks, and I have some in mind, so they're coming. Okay, they're coming. And yeah, so I'll see you soon. Take care everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe, obviously, like always. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.